Guys, welcome back to another Fun for Days. Bill Cipher already made a warning on Morgan's channel. We will hack her YouTube channel. Anyways, we shall show you Java's secret base. The volcano. It might look like a tree, but it's a volcano. I'm serious. Guys, I had to work with a tree. Here is Java singing his big fat. But don't worry, I will get a new replacement. Here is what? You're showing the view. Here's the secret hideout. Yes? Okay. Whatever. Oh, hello, Jackson. This is where we make our monsters. That's true. It's where Java makes his monsters. The replacement ice, that ice sphere is right there. The new leader of the underworld, sitting right there. Venom's just laying there. This is where Bill made his thing. I like that warning. It shall rule the day. Bill never appears on the channel, right? Maybe sometimes in the background. Here's the army down on the ground from the awesomeness. We don't have the whole army out here yet. You're probably wondering who that guy is. It's probably okay. In my early YouTube videos, you guys probably saw this. Sword, chest plate, head. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Good chunk. We got this bad boy. We're showing off this awesomeness. You're probably wondering, what are those for? Those are for connecting all the lava in darkness. Yeah, we use darkness to create our monsters. These are just, these are actually where we shoot at the enemy. They're on our army's on the other side of the volcano. Or they're just everywhere. Or they're sending an army right there and right here. Get down with the fish. Anyway, that's it for this awesome volcano. Tree volcano, whatever you want to call it. And this is Fun for Days.